Lots of people are saying that video marketing is the way to go. But for most people, doing video marketing means that you have to put yourself in front of the camera, buy a lot of equipment, and spend a lot of time on it. So, is it worth the work? How effective is video marketing? In this video, I am going to tell you the thing you need to know as a business owner about video marketing and its effectiveness. Let's go. Hey everybody, this is Antoine Dupont and welcome to another video. If you're new here and you're looking for best practices on how to grow your business with sales and marketing tips and ultimately improve your cash flow, then please make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss a thing. So first, what are the benefits of video marketing for you as a business owner? I have 4 of them. The first one, it's going to help build your brand. The second one, it's going to build trust with your audience. The third one is it will engage your customers out there. And the fourth one is it serves as an amazing lead generator for people looking for your products and services. So beyond the actual statistics and research, I'm going to show you the things that prove that video marketing is highly effective. Now let's start with the hard facts. As of right now, videos represent 70% of the demand for internet content by users out there. That is staggering. 70%. And it's not slowing down. They're anticipating that by 2019, which is next year, this video is in 2018, that 80% of all the internet user traffic is going to be videos. But that doesn't say anything about the marketing value itself. So here is why it's great for marketing. More than half of all marketers are saying that video marketing is producing a much better return on investment than any other forms of media. Social media videos are producing 1,200% more shares than pictures and text combined. That's 12 times more traffic. So let's say as a business owner, you have the choice to post a picture or an article or a small video, and the video by itself is going to produce 12 times more reach, more engagement. Which one are you going to choose? Yeah, video, no doubt. Another statistic that's actually amazing shows that a single video on a landing page of your website will increase conversion by 80%. Now 80% is enough to get my attention. Another amazing benefit is a video on a landing page will increase the amount of time that your visitor will spend on your web page. So everything being equal, your landing page with a video or your competition's landing page without a video, they're going to stay 2.5 times more time on yours. And that is a signal that Google loves. So having a video on a landing page is absolutely amazing for SEO. Now, I hope this video convinced you that video marketing is probably something you want to take a closer look at for your business and start doing videos now before your competition does. Remember those 3 things. The demand for video is growing exponentially. 80% of all traffic in 2019 will be video content. The second thing is videos in social media on average produce 1,200% more engagement than a regular post or an article. And the third thing is a video on your landing page will increase the amount of time that people stay on the website, which is great for SEO. I hope that this is enough for you to get how effective video marketing is for your business, and the time to get started is now. Now the question of the day, as a business owner, what is the first video you're thinking about doing? Put in a comment below and let's chat and let's see if the community can come up with great ideas for you. Okay, so this does it for today. If you have any questions, please make sure to put them in the comments below. And thank you for watching this video. But before you leave, please make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss a thing.